Want to edit your stomach on FaceTune? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to flatten your stomach on FaceTune. Let's get started. Open the FaceTune app first on your device. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Tap on Add from My Device. Now select the picture in which you want to edit the stomach. At the bottom, you can see many editing tools. Swipe on the right. Tap on Reshape. Now you can edit your stomach. Now tap on the part which you want to reduce and drag it, just like so. Repeat this step until you're satisfied. After you're done, tap on Save at the top right. And that is how to flatten your stomach on FaceTune. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.